Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you an easy extensions that does it change font style of any website. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser. Now we are in the Chrome Web Store. First one is font changer extension. Add to Chrome. The another is Google Font Previewer for Chrome. Add to Chrome, add extension. Now we are moving to any of the website to see the results. Likely you will see the text font. First one is font changer extension. In there US has to only three styles like Arial Unicode, Calibri and Open Dialysis. The another is Google Font Previewer. It has too many font styles. You can select any of the font style to change the font. Also you can decorate the text, transform, capitalize, choose the shadow of your text, bold or simple, regular or bold, italic or regular. Also you can select the size of your text. Here you will access thousands of font styles. You can select which font style you want to apply on the website. So I recommended you can download Google Font Previewer for Chrome. You can use this on Google, YouTube, Wikipedia, news sites and many more. And that's it. That's how to change font style of any website using simple extensions. No coding, no complicated setup. If you found this video helpful, press the like button, comment for subscribe and comment which topic I cover next. Thanks for watching.